Okay, so what is a tax levy? I would say that 9 times out of 10, people think a tax levy is just a tax increase, but that is not always the case. Not surprisingly, we find tax levies in the Constitution in Article 4, which deals with the legislative branch of government, and specifically Section 8C3. In the Constitution, it says that statutes calling elections, statutes providing for tax levies, or appropriations for the usual current expenses of the state, and urgency statutes shall go into effect immediately upon their enactment. This, of course, begs the question of what is a tax levy? Well, it is not defined in the Constitution nor in statute. It's generally defined by the Office of Legislative Counsel as changing the rate, burden, or base of a tax. As I started with, a common misconception is that a tax levy is a tax increase. However, that is not the case. While a tax levy is usually a collection tool, actually, used by the government, in California bills, a tax levy could impose, repeal, or materially alter a state tax. So a tax levy could be a tax increase. It could also be a tax decrease by changing the rate, base, or burden of a tax. The Leg Counsel indicates tax levies in the digest, the title, and in a plus section. So the digest, for example, contains a statement, this bill would take effect immediately as a tax levy. In the title at the top of the bill, it'll say to take effect immediately, comma, tax levy. And then at the end in a plus section, the bill will say this act provides for a tax levy within the meaning of Article 4 of the California Constitution and shall go into immediate effect. So that is what a tax levy is in the state of California, and then is subject to the provision that a tax levy so designated bill will go into effect immediately upon the governor signing the bill.